Everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, and in this video I am going to show you how to make a solid crochet hexagon. I've been working on a bunch of these. I made a whole stack so far, so like, ta-da! And every time I post about it on any of my social media, one or two of y'all are asking me where the pattern is, so I was like, let me just make a tutorial to help bring you onto crocheting solid hexagons. So if that's what you're here for, before we get into the content, anytime you're enjoying it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's have some fun making these amazing solid boom 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 crochet hexagons. Before we get into the actual crocheting, I wanted to kind of go in reverse and show you something, because a lot of the crochet that you do, it will ask you to like crochet in here. So like in between the two double crochets, right? But this one, instead of going like right here, it's asking you to go into the hole. There's a hole right here. Do you see that? So you're gonna crochet into that instead of crocheting into the gap. So I just wanted to point that out before we get into the actual crocheting. So now follow me on how to crochet this solid crochet hexagon. Okay, so now to begin the solid crochet hexagon, you're going to create just a slip knot in the beginning and then chain 4. And I'm leaving this shorter than I do on other crochet because hopefully it'll get tangled in whenever I'm weaving the beginning, but chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? And then stick the hook in the top right there, and then pull yarn over through, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and that's the beginning of the first double crochet. And then around this loop, you're going to do 6 pair of double crochet. So let me finish this one. As you can see, I'm holding onto the little loopy loop. So go inside the loop, yarn over, pull through. You got a little 3, see? Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And then after that, once you have 2 double crochets, you're going to chain 2. 1, 2, like that. And then begin another pair of double crochet. So I've yarned over in the loop, yarn over, pull through. See, now there are 3 on there. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And do it one more time. See, like that. Then yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then after you have 2, you're going to chain 2. Like this. And you're going to do this 4 more times for a total of 6. And I will get started on the next one. And then fast forward until I get to the end. So see? Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. So now I'll fast forward. So I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then do a slip knot up the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, 3, find it there, and it's that one. So I'm going to enter that hole right here, yarn over, pull through again, like that, and then chain 3 to begin the double crochet, and then I'll just show you the little hexagon for now. Okay, so that's the basic motion of it. It's double crochets and chain stitches. So the next one, I'm going to do 4. So this is 2, right? So then it's going to be 4, and then the next layer is going to be 6, 8. So you're adding 2 each layer. So I'm going to do another double crochet, and so you can see where I am going in that. Let me Make sure you can see it. It's going to go in this hole right under the triple chain. So I've yarned over before, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then one more. Instead of going in that hole, you're going to go in this gap right here, yarn over in the gap, pull through. Oh, let me do it again. Pull through, so there's 3, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, right? And then to get around this corner of the hexagon, you're going to chain 2, just like before, and then go back in this gap. Yarn over, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then the next one, we're going under these chains, right? So the next one is going to be this hole right there. So yarn over, go in that hole to where it's like right underneath the chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, like that. See it? And then the next one is going to be that hole. So now yarn over, and the hole, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you have 3, you need one more, and it's going to go in that gap. So yarn over, in the gap, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we have our 4. See, it went 2, 4. So the next one, you're going to chain 2, and then go back in that gap, like that. And I'm going to fast forward through this so that you can see it, and then I'll get started on the next layer. And then by then, I'm hoping that you will understand how to do the solid crochet hexagon. So yarn over, and see that hole right there? It's going in there. Yarn over, pull through. You've got the 3. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'll fast forward. Okay, so now I have gotten to here, and as you can see, there are 4, right? So now I just need to do a slip knot through, so just stick it in right here. You go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and it's the one that creates that hole right there. Stick the hook in, yarn over, pull through both of them, then chain 3 to begin the next layer of double crochets. So I'm going to get you started on the 3rd layer, and you're just going to continue to build. I'm going to 7 layers for mine. That's creating the size that I want, but you can stop whenever you wanted to. But now it's like yarn over the hole. See how it's bigger right there. Yarn over, stick it in that hole, yarn over, pull through. You've got the 3. Ta-da, ta-da. And then the holes begin more pronounced as you move up. So you just go in the holes like that. And then once you get there, you're going to go in the gap. 1, 2, 3, like that. And then since you're in the gap, you're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Then yarn over, go back into the gap because you're in the corner. And ta-da, right? Then you'll go back in that hole, and then you'll just continue. You're going in the holes to get the number. And I will fast forward as you can watch this layer build. Okay, now I am getting to the end of this layer. Look at how cute this is! And I just wanted to show you this. So I have one more hole to get in. And then one thing I wanted to point out is that there is a hole here. Like there's a hole right there, but you don't go in that one. Sometimes that confused me. You go into the gap because you already have your 6. like that, and then chain 2 to get around the corner, and then go in the gap one more time, like that. And then right here, you just have one more hole, which is right there to go in, but it's going to grow as you continue because this is going to go straight. So each time you're going to need to add more on this side. So just count them all. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 2. Now I just do a slip knot, the third chain, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, and then just start again for the next layer. But for now, you can run with this and make some solid crochet hexagons. Now, hopefully with my instructions in the video, you can make a solid crochet hexagon. I really love the look and feel of it. It adds a textural element. It's more modern, and I can't wait till I finish this so I can have the full Afghan drapes all over my body. So if you enjoyed this video, got a laugh or a tip or a trick, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.